Assalamualaikum dear students, subject math class 3rd, lesson number 5, multiplication. In a previous video, I have totally explained how to multiply the numbers and what is meant by the multiplication. Multiplication means the repeated addition. Okay, so in this video, I will explain how to make the table using 1 to 10 numbers. In a previous video I have already explained some tables, but in this video I will explain in detail. So let's start the video. Okay, first the multiplication. 5 multiplied by 3 is equals to 15 has been shown in the table below. 5 multiplied by 3 has been already shown in the table. 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, and 5 3s are 15. Okay, so fill in the right numbers in the empty boxes. Numbers from 1 to 10 are written in a row. Yes or no? Numbers from 1 to 10 are written in a row. Similarly, numbers from 1 to 10 are written in column, and in between sign of multiplication is given. Yes or no? Means the multiplication of rows and columns are written in empty boxes. हमें क्या करना है? रोज एंड कॉलम्स के नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करके इन बॉक्सेस को क्या करना है? फिल करना है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द multiplication. Okay, so first, 1 1s are 1, 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3, 4 1s are 4, same as it is, 5 1s are 5. So 6 1s are 6, 6 1s are 6, 6 1s are 6. Next, 7 1s are 7. I have already written in next table. So look at this next table. 7 1s are 7, 8 1s are 8, 9 1s are 9, and 10 1s are 10. Okay, so we make the one time table. कौन सा टेबल बन गया ये? one time table. Next, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 7s are 14, and 2 7s are 21, 2 8s are 16, and 2 9s are 18, and 2 10s are 20. Same like this I have completed the 1 to 10 table. Okay, so write in your notebook and do this activity in your notebook. Okay, next some multiplication. Carry out the following multiplication. क्या करना है? कुछ एग्जाम्पल दिए हुए मल्टीप्लिकेशन के उन्हें हमें सॉल्व करना है. सो फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज 3 multiplied by 6. So 3 6 are 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, and 3 6 are 18. So 3 multiplied by 6 is 18. Write down 18. Okay. Next example is 5 multiplied by 3. So if you read the 3 tables 5 times, you will get the answer. Okay, so 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. So 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. Write down 15. Okay, next multiplication is 7 multiplied by 5. So if you read the 7 table 5 times, you will get the answer. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 25, and 7 5s are 35. So 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. Eight multiplied by 3. Okay, so if you read the 8 tables 3 times, you will get the answer. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. So write down 24. Okay, next 4 multiplied by 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, and 6 4s are 24. If you read the 4 tables 6 times, you have also get same answer. If you read the 4 tables 6 times, 6 tables 4 times. So answer is 24. Next 7 multiplied by 8. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, and 7 6 are 42, 7 7s are 49, and 7 8s are 56. So 7 multiplied by 8 is 56. Next example, from the pictures given below, make example of multiplication and solve them. The example made from the following pictures. Okay. First, you see the pretty flowers? Yes or no? Yes. Count the how many rows. How many rows are there? 1. First, count the how many flowers in one row. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 flowers in each row. So how many flowers in how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 6 flowers in each row. And how many flowers in such 4 rows? Okay, there are 6 flowers in one row and such 4 rows are there. So 6 multiplied by 4 is equals to 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24. So total number of flowers is 24. Okay, understand? Next example is dash ball in one box, then in dash boxes ball is all. So how many balls in one box? Count 1, 2, 3. So 3 balls in one box. Write down 3. Okay, 3 balls in one box. Then is dash boxes. How many boxes is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many boxes? 7. Okay, so ball in all boxes. How many balls in all boxes? So if we multiply the 7 multiplied 3, she will get the answer. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, and 7 threes are 21. So 21 balls in all. Okay, write down in your book. Next example is how many kitchens are seen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many kitchens? 5. Number of kitchen is 5. Cost of one kitchen is 8 rupees. So if we multiply 8 by 5, so you will get the correct cost of kitchen. You will get the cost of all kitchens. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, and 8 fours are 40. 8 fives are 40. So total cost of kitchen is 40. Write down. Solve this example in your notebook too. Okay, next is your homework. Solve the following problem given below. How many baskets are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many apples are in each basket? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to write the number of baskets and apple of each basket and multiplied, and you will get the answer. Okay, thank you.